Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Tripo 3D AI. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to their official website, and there you have to sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can also sign in with your Google account as well. Once you're signed in, you will land on this dashboard or this main workspace. Simply click on 3D workspace and you will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is you have to upload an image. As you can see, I have an image here. I'm going to upload that. You have to make sure that the image should have a white background. It works the best. So I'm gonna upload. And if you're a beginner, I recommend you not to play around with these settings. But if you know what you're doing, then you can go to the Ultra or whatever and click on Generate Model. As you can see, it has created an image, which looks great according to me. So you can also change the colors of that image. You can also change the texture. And once you're done, you can click on export. You have different export options like GLB, OBJ, FBX. Once you're done, simply select export button. In the free version, we have only 15 exports. And also the free version, you can only export the 2.5 or the 2.0 version. If you have generated an image with 3.0, then you cannot export in the free version only. That's why I have generated with the model of 2.5. Simply click on the export button. And as you can see, the 3D image is now downloaded. So that's simply how you can use Tripo 3D AI. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.